Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Tesla's headlights. Proper headlight alignment is incredibly important for both your safety and the safety of others on the road. Misaligned headlights can reduce your visibility, especially at night, and can also blind oncoming drivers. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring your lights are perfectly aimed for optimal performance and safety. It's a quick and easy task you can do yourself. Before we begin the adjustment, let's get everything ready. First, park your Tesla on a flat, level surface, facing a wall or garage door. Make sure there's about 25 feet of clear space between your car and the wall. It's also important to check your tire pressure, as incorrect pressure can affect the car's stance and consequently the headlight aim. You'll only need two basic tools, a measuring tape and a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Now let's get to the actual adjustment. Open your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw for each headlight. These are typically found on the top or side of the headlight assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw clockwise to raise the beam or counterclockwise to lower it. The goal is to achieve a clear cutoff line on the wall, approximately 2.1 inches below the center of your headlight, when measured at 25 feet. Once you've made your adjustments, it's crucial to perform a final check. Take your Tesla for a drive on a dark, level road to confirm the headlights provide optimal visibility without blinding other drivers. Ensure both headlights are evenly aligned, creating a balanced spread of light. Remember, these are general guidelines, so always consult your Tesla's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or recommendations to ensure perfect alignment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.